Question 9. The pictogram shows information about the number of vinyl records sold in a shop on Monday and on Tuesday. And the important bit to look out for is the key here. So each circle represents 8 vinyl records. Part A. Write down the number of vinyl records sold on Monday. Well, if each circle represents 8, that's 8, that's 8, and that's 8, and 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24. On Tuesday, that's 8, that's 8. Now that's just a quarter of a circle, so that's going to be 2. Because if you imagine the other 3 quarters would also be 2 to make the 8, but we've only got a quarter of the circle there. So we've got 8, 16 and 2 make 18. On Wednesday and Thursday, a total of 36 vinyl records were sold. So I'm going to put 36 over here to remind me. The number of records sold on Thursday was 8 times the number of records sold on Wednesday. So I know that this one was 8 times that one. Use this information to complete the pictogram. There's a couple of ways of doing this, but I think the easiest way is to realise that if the number of records sold on Wednesday was 8 times the number of records sold on Thursday, that's 9 shares in total. And I put the workings here. Normally we'd put it down where the B is, but we'd put it here so we can see it all. So I've got to take the 36 that were sold, the 36 vinyl records that were sold, and share them into 9 shares. 36 divided by 9 is 4, so it's 4 records per share. Therefore, the 8 shares are going to be 32 records, because 8 times 4 is 32, and the 1 share is going to be 4 records, because 1 times 4 is 4. I then just have to draw them properly. If there are 32 records, and each circle is 8, that's 8, 16, 24, 32. And if there's 4, I just make sure I do half a circle, like that. In terms of marks, identifying there's 8 share and 1 share will pick you at 1 mark. 32 and 4 has to be seen for the second mark, and the correct circles drawn for the third mark. If they see the correct circles drawn, you would get all 3 marks.